Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates. Here you can browse through my channel and you can find all the latest market updates here. And you can browse through all multi-bagger tips. Here I am going to post all the multi-bagger. You can find all the multi-bagger stocks you can find. As I have stated in my video which I have posted in the morning, today argument was happened in Delhi High Court, and Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, he represented Amazon, and Darius Kumbata, senior advocate of Supreme Court, he represented Future Group, as well as Rajiv Nair. He is also senior Supreme Court advocate. He is also represented Future Group, and also Mr. Harish Salve, the internationally reputed senior advocate of Supreme Court. He is also represented Reliance Group in favor of Future Group as a client. So just we will go into the details of the arguments. So while we are going to the details, it was fully favor to Future Group, and actually Future Group they made only two argument. One is that they have 1,000 employees, more than 1,000 employees will be get affected, and the second argument they given is SAIC interim order is not applicable according to the Indian law, according to sections 17. And also they really they Mr. Kumbata, he proved that the SAIC interim order is not valid in India. So if you go into the details of that, so you can understand that he really proved that. And also the judge, he told that tomorrow the argument will continue, and we will take the decision accordingly. So it will be 100% favor to um, Future Group. And actually while we are going into the argument, while we are seeing that even though Amazon was the petitioner, they were moved to defend themselves. Actually they were not having an argument at all. So and also Mr. Harish Salve, he represented the entire Indian around, and he made a serious comment on that. That means he said that Amazon is trying to fool all Indians, and he was saying that Amazon is trying to prove that in case if this interim order is not happen, the world will come ups and down, like that. He made a serious comment, and also he said on final in the court, he said that see, the Amazon he is thinking that they are very poor. So it was very serious comment actually in favor of Future Group. So we can expect that tomorrow before ending the market, we will get a good news saying that Future Group won the case. If this case is won in High Court, Delhi High Court, then Amazon will not be having any chance to fight against this. So the deal will complete. And also in the court, in the High Court, they said that Future Group already they move in NCLT for the demerger as part of this thing, as part of Reliance Future Group deal. So already they moved in NCLT. You can see in Business Standard the news was published. So it is very clear that the deal is done. Today, all the Future Group shares are closed in positive. You can see that Future Enterprises and Future Retail, everything closed in positive only. Hopefully, by tomorrow, before closing the market, we will get a positive news about the deal. And as I told you before, our target is 500 for FEL. That's the minimum target. Kindly subscribe to my channel so you will get the latest notification.